Hello everyone and welcome back to Master English Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel.
Today, we're going to learn English conversations used at a restaurant.
Yes, this is one of the most useful daily English topics because almost everyone goes to restaurants.
And sometimes ordering food in English can feel stressful.
Especially when the waiter comes quickly and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
And suddenly you forget every English word you know.
Exactly. So today, we'll help you speak simple and natural English confidently at restaurants.
We'll cover entering a restaurant, ordering food, asking questions, paying the bill, and common mistakes.
And if you enjoy learning English with us, subscribe to Master English Channel, like this video, and comment below your favorite food.
All right, Sarah, let's begin from the moment you enter a restaurant.
The waiter may say, "Welcome. How many people?"
And you can answer, "Table for two, please."
Very common restaurant English.
Then the waiter may say, "Please follow me."
After sitting down, the waiter may give you the menu.
Menu means the list of food and drinks.
Another useful sentence is, "Could I see the menu, please?"
Very polite English.
Then the waiter may ask, "Would you like something to drink?"
You can answer, "I'd like a glass of water."
Or, "I'll have an orange juice."
Sarah, many learners get confused between I want and I'd like.
Very true.
I want is understandable, but I'd like sounds more polite in restaurants.
Example, "I'd like a chicken sandwich, please."
Much more natural.
Now let's talk about ordering food.
The waiter may ask, "Are you ready to order?"
You can answer, "Yes, I'd like the chicken pasta."
Or, "I'll have the beef burger."
Another useful question. What do you recommend?
Recommend means suggesting something good.
The waiter may say, "Our pizza is very popular."
That sentence becomes dangerous when you're hungry.
Very dangerous.
Another useful sentence, "I'm allergic to nuts."
Very important for safety.
Or, "Is this dish spicy?"
Useful for people who don't like spicy food.
Or people who act brave and regret it later.
Exactly.
Now let's do a real-life restaurant conversation.
I'll be the customer.
And I'll be the waiter. "Hello, table for how many?"
Table for two, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Here's your menu.
Thanks.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a lemonade.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken pasta.
Excellent choice.
Very natural conversation.
And very useful in daily life.
Now, let's learn some useful restaurant vocabulary.
First word, starter.
Starter means small food eaten before the main meal.
Next word, main course.
Main course means the main meal.
Another useful word, dessert.
Dessert means sweet food eaten after the meal.
Best part of the meal for many people.
Especially chocolate cake.
Absolutely.
Another useful sentence. Could we have some extra napkins?
Very practical English.
Another useful question. Can we get the bill, please?
Bill means the amount you need to pay.
In American English, people also say check.
Good point.
The waiter may ask, "How would you like to pay?"
You can answer, "By card, please."
Or, "I'll pay cash."
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, give me burger.
That sounds rude.
Better English is, "I'd like a burger, please."
Much more polite.
Mistake number 2, "I want water."
Better sentence? "Could I have some water, please?"
Polite English is very important in restaurants.
Definitely.
Another useful sentence is, "The food was delicious."
Restaurant staff always appreciate kind words.
Unless the food was terrible.
Then your face says everything before your mouth does.
That is true.
Now let's do one final real-life conversation.
Sounds good.
Hello. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger and fries.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a cola, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Perfect.
Later.
How was your meal?
It was delicious. Thank you.
Glad to hear that.
Can we get the bill, please?
Of course.
See? Restaurant English is actually very simple.
You don't need difficult vocabulary.
You just need clear and confident English.
Exactly.
If this podcast helped you, subscribe to Master English Channel.
Like this video and comment below, what's your favorite restaurant food?
And tell us which English topic you want next.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We'll see you in the next episode of Master English Channel.
Take care and keep practicing your English every day.